Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Garage Boy Lee. We back, finally back. Man, come on, man. It's been a long time coming, but your boy finally back with some new content on the way. Got a lot of big things coming. But yeah, today what we're going to do is we're going to get into some maintenance, changing the spark plugs and coil packs. And then we're going to get into an update and have some decisions that I need you guys' help with. Because I got a lot of things going on in my mind and a lot of things that I got planned for the build. But I need you guys' help on this because I'm building this car because I love to build cars, but I also love the people. I gotta get the people what they want every time. So y'all gotta let me know what y'all want. So I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna have you guys making decisions in the comments, and let's see what you guys pick. And if y'all really know me, y'all gonna pick well for me. I hope you guys do. I really do. Come on, you guys. Come on, you Garage Gang for life, baby. Once you join it, can't leave. Subscribed for life. You heard? But yeah, without further ado, let's get into today's video and describe the whole process of what's going on. Peace. Well, I said peace. Let's get into the video. So what I'm doing is I'm flipping up the tab for the coil pack, pulling out the plug, remove the coil pack. Then you have access to the spark plug. Then you get your spark plug tool with your ratchet handle. You take it out. Then I had to vacuum out the chamber that holds the spark plug because there was just too much debris. And I didn't like that, so I vacuumed it out. Then I reversed the process, got everything done, and back to normal, better than before. But enough talking, let's get back to the video. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Garage Boy Leak, and we're back. Finally, it's been a while. I know y'all miss me. I miss y'all too, man. But like I told you in the last video that I dropped, that the next one is gonna be some decisions to make. And now I finally have the funds to make those decisions. Now it's time to really get a breakdown of everything that we bought so far and everything that we intend to buy, and then we make the decision on which route to take pertaining to the color. You get what I'm saying? So let's get into it. So back from stock, right here, you see $7,290. Then after that, we had the H&R lowering springs, the downpipe, boost pipe and charge pipe, rims and tires, M Sport body kit, muffler delete, and then we had the side markers and the carbon wing. So cost to date is $4,027. A lot of money, but we still have a lot more to spend. So I'm gonna get I'm going to talk a little bit about it. Now we have under our future cost bracket, we have our blow valve, our cold air intake. Now for the blow valve, I'm thinking of going with Turbo Smart. You know, that's the best blow valve you could get for these cars. Then the cold air intake, I'm thinking of going to Beamer House intake, which is around $710 if you get the diff insert, which I don't think I really need, so I probably might not end up getting that. It probably would cost me like $550. And then we have the front mount intercooler, the MHD tune, the M Sport steering wheel, the radio, the carbon kit, sound system, headliner fabric. And with total future costs, all of this is going to cost me $4,001. But you know me, Facebook Marketplace king, cash is king, so we're going to try and get some steals on these future costs, because this number right here, a little bit too high for my liking. And now, boom, finally, time for the big decisions. This is why we get paid the big bucks, y'all. So now I have an M Sport body kit, as you can see, as we total it into the cars to date. But now, my body kit is gray and my car is black. We have a big dilemma. Now, let's start off a little backwards, because this is the option that we're least likely to choose. And I know y'all definitely don't want this for me, because this is bad drip. But option C, as is, $0 spent, just put the body kit on, black and gray, rock out with it, and just have a blast. But never, zero zip zilch of a chance of me doing this. But I just threw it out there because it is an option. Alright, and then we got option B, paint. Now this is the best option in my opinion, financially. But the best looking option would be A, wrap, which would cost me about $3,500. Then I would go from having money to having negative $3,500 money, because I have no monies. Now I'm playing. But yeah, I'll be down $3,500. And I don't know if that's financially the best decision for me, because I'm about to go back to school. So no, I don't think that would be the right move. I'm definitely leaning towards option B, but I definitely want you guys' help. Should I just save up for the wrap and wait to put on the body kit, or should I paint it? And then this is all, it's also going to cost $850 to paint, but that includes wet sanding and buffing. So hopefully I get the hood, fender, both bumpers, side skirts painted for $600. Then to wet sand it would be $250. So that's the option I'm leaning towards the most. But I need you guys' help on everything. And the next mod that I'll be doing, I'll give you guys a little hint. Something that has to do with my roof. It's going bad. So yeah, that'll be that. The next video I should have coming out would be, after this, my high pressure fuel pump. Then my brother got his car wrapped a different color. That video is coming pretty soon. A whole vlog on that day. And then we also have a new build to the channel. So we got a lot of exciting things going on. We have a lot of exciting things coming. I just want to thank everybody who's watching this video right now and still support me, even though I ain't dropped and I've been a bad YouTuber for these past couple of months. I want to thank y'all for hanging in there with me, because you know, financial hardships that happen, you know, life, bills, women, you know how it goes. So yeah, but with that being said, that's everything. You guys are all caught up. I haven't really done anything new to the car besides maintenance. The last mod that I did to the car is up on YouTube, the muffler delete, the latest video. But yeah, so this is everything that we got going on, and this is everything that we plan to have going on, and this is what I need your help with. So I need everybody to comment in the description right now. Option A, B, if you hate me, comment C. That's only if you hate me though, because you know, I gotta do what the people want. So, you know, who knows? But yeah, thank you guys for watching and tuning into the video. I appreciate every single one of y'all. Later, Garage Gang. Love y'all. Remember, positivity, prosperity, and all good things. Nothing but more life, more success, and more wealth. Catch you guys later.